Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. We have a open LED PC monitor, model 27HC5R. It's turning on but no display appears on the screen. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. No display is usually a voltage problem with the timing control or the panel itself. Let's first measure the VGHF voltage. VGHF voltage is about 25 to 30 volts. The VGHF has a voltage but it seems it automatically turns off. The digital multimeter is not showing any results. Let's try the analog multimeter. As you can see, the voltage only kicks. Let's try it again. This problem is usually the CKV line of the panel. There is a ribbon wire connector connecting the left and right of the panel. We can disconnect it and then see if the VGHF voltage will remains on. The VGHF voltage is still at the same result. So the faulty CKV line is on this side. Disconnecting the CKV line requires cutting it with a blade, but I have a new trick. No cutting of any CKV line. Let's paralyze or disable this level shifter CKV signal generator. The part number is CS703. I couldn't find any data sheets available on the internet. This chip has a faulty CKV and the LC1 and LC2 detection. If any of the LC1, LC2 and the CKV lines haven't detect an abnormal behavior, it's automatically shut off the DC to DC supplies. To disable the fault detection, the pin 20 of this chip, we will connect it to the ground. Pin 20 is also connected to this resistor, so we solder a tin wire to the resistor and connect it to the ground. I use tin wire because it's easier to solder. The wire has a diameter that is about the same as that of a human hair. I have a problem with this video while editing. When pin 20 is connected to the ground, I could not find the video that VGHF has become normal. I look at my phone where I recorded the video, but I can't find it. I forgot to record it, or has it been corrupted? The result of the VGHF voltage is important to show that is really working with that new trick. It really works, and no cuts are made to the CKV lines. As you can see, the monitor is working now. Connecting pin 20 to the ground is guaranteed work. When I encounter this same issue, I will make a video again with the complete ending result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.